Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my today's tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to paint lovely floral illustration in watercolor style. I'm gonna also add some ink brush to that, so I hope you will like that. And guys, if you like my tutorial, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's start painting. Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's class, I'm gonna show you how to paint lovely floral illustration in watercolor style, and that's so simple. I created flower builder set, brush set for Procreate, where you can create a floral from the scratch, from the petal, leaf, and that's so simple. And I share this flower builder set totally for free at my with my Skillshare community. Also, I share another brush set which is called Florals. Here we have different kinds of watercolor brushes and some native Procreate brushes that are pretty useful if you want to create watercolor illustration. And well, I think we are ready to start. Let's get started. Once again, if you have your own watercolor paper, you can use it. You don't need to use my own watercolor paper. It's totally fine. Same with brushes, same with my flower builder set. But if you have it, of course, feel free to use it. And today I want to explain you how to use my flower builder set, because I got some questions from people. They were asking me to make a tutorial that explains how to use it. So now I'm here and I am showing you how to create some kind of florals. Let's do it all together. So I need to create one more layer. Once again, I want to share with you some paintings that I created that are the tutorials that I explain how to paint in that Skillshare class. So this plant we created from the scratch, like petals, all of the petals we place all together, and we have such kind of beautiful, lovely flower. Pay attention, we need to paint underneath our paper layer group. I will go and grab black color, and now let's create some kind of floral bouquet, and later I will show you how to create beautiful watercolor illustration. Let's remove overlappings, because those plants are behind our flowers, so we can't see them fully. Okay, let's merge it together, create one more layer, and let's think about other florals. Next, I think we are ready to create the flower from the scratch. So let's think maybe tiny peony. Yeah, peony small. Like this. I like it, so I'm gonna merge together the three plants here. Create one more layer. I want to stick to the dahlia, yeah. So we have dahlia heart. Let's turn it off for a while. And we have different kinds of petals. Once again, if you want to know how dahlia looks like, you can go to the unsplash.com and check it. So we will just type dahlia. Now we will check how this flower looks like this. Very lovely one. So it has variety of different kinds of shades. Now let's look at the leaf. You see it has very specific leaf that we're gonna paint later. So your aim is to remove overlappings. So we're gonna remove the parts that overlap each other. And after I will just merge that together, create one more layer. Grab one more leaf. You can rotate it, do whatever you like. I like this petal, so I'm gonna duplicate it and use it a couple of times. Maybe here. I think we didn't use this petal. It's a very interesting one. Oh, I think this is a perfect place for this lovely petal. Create one more layer, create one more. I'm gonna grab and add last petal to this part. Here. Erase and remove overlappings. Done. Perfect. Now let's go and grab a mercury brush. Now let's try to imitate the leaf. It has very interesting shape. And one more. Okay, we have beautiful dahlia. We have one more floral. Now we need to combine that all together. Place it here. Place this floral somewhere here. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. Like this. I think that we want to place this plant somewhere behind. Okay, now we can merge everything together and we can start coloring that. Looks wonderful. I'll create one more layer underneath. Grab Boo Base Color Sharp. The color palette that I'm using I also added to my class at Skillshare. But once again, you don't need to use it. You might use your own colors, totally fine. Okay, now let's grab light green color. And for this part I will use Boo Opal brush, it's more transparent. So it's more suitable. Now for dahlia I want to use slightly orange color, but not that saturated, like this. Okay, done. Now the next question is how to add shades, and that's pretty simple. First of all, I want to duplicate the layer, go to lower layer, and I want to remove the transparency. So guys, why I need to remove the transparency? Because if I want to add more shades, if I want to use clipping mask or alpha lock, I need to do that. I want to make my layer not transparent. And guys, pay attention when you use clipping mask. Don't forget to move the blending mode to multiply. After that, grab a watercolor background brush and try to add some shades. Next, we want to add some kind of color variations. How to do that? That's pretty simple. I will merge together this part, create one more layer, clip it, move to multiply, and I will use stem brushes. By the way, guys, the stem brushes that I'm using are from my new watercolor brush set, which is called Ink and Watercolor Stems. You might go ahead and check it. Green color. Okay, lovely. Lower the opacity. I don't want to have it that bright. One more layer. Multiply. Blue color. Same. Next, we need to create a background. For this, we're gonna create new layer underneath. Grab Boo base color sharp. Well guys, it was the end of our class. I hope you enjoyed our today's tutorial. And if you like it, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!